This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Joy Catalano. Welcome home to this well-maintained and updated home in beautiful Three Oaks neighborhood. Enjoy your beautiful maintenance-free front porch for early morning coffee or evening cocktails. As you walk in the foyer, you'll find a great living space perfect for modern living. Kitchen with granite countertops, 2 prep sinks, tons of storage spaces and pull-out shelves. Large ensuite main bedroom is updated. 4th bedroom is huge finished room over garage which could be used as a flex room. Roof 2013, leaf guard 2020, bathrooms updated in 2011, composite deck 2018 and many more updates. Schedule your tour today. For more information, review the details below.